and words of Martin Luther King Jr. revealed here in detail for the first time his plans, his fears, his dreams. Words that changed a nation.
So this is what happens after another drinking with an old man. We're all just sitting here right now, just doing whatever. Mom's doing laundry in the hotel. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. My dad got this bright idea that we were going to walk in about 10-degree weather minus the wind chill, so about negative something. We were going to walk in New Jersey to the next bar because the bar closed here at the hotel. But yeah, so just take a listen to how he's snoring. I think we're done being mean right now, right?
I think so. We'll see how mean we can be tomorrow.
I think we're gonna put this on the MySpace stuff. On what's his name?
YouTube.
No.
Big Daddy V.
The Vast Family. Nothing better. Peace out.
Girl Scout.
A-Town, both show.
Where is your mom?
How do you stop this?